Alright guys, back here down the riverfront, about to hit PF with C. Like I said guys, just hold it down with me right now. Do this, you know what I'm saying, this next year. We still gonna get content out for y'all, so don't get scared away or nothing like that. But like I said in the last video, I explained to you guys why. Right now we're headed to PF, so you know, we're staying consistent with the gains. We can't lose that. Guys, if you haven't already, try to start getting to the gym, you know, whatever. But you know, we making it in there pretty much 6 days a week. I'll take a rest day here and there when I feel like it. But you know guys, this is something me and C have been on for I believe a little bit over 7 months now. So it's getting up there, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. So you guys, yeah, please give me comments of video suggestions you may want to see. And yeah, as far as that goes, the only thing I think I might do soon to the G, and it's still kind of up in the air, is the alignment. But in order to do the alignment the best we can, my tuner was saying, and not only my tuner, I heard from a couple of other people that have done it, get the toe and camber arms, that way you can, you know, get your alignment as close as to where you want it, because this thing is horrible alignment right now for drifting, as you guys can see. But yeah guys, guys, what the fuck is C doing in this bitch? Ice bag. You gotta get all the way in that face. Alright guys, we just pulled up on Chap 302, man. This guy's already at my house, man.
Yeah, man, you know, I want to beat the rain, man. The rain's just coming down right now, man, but...
He beat the storm, though.
Yeah, I beat the storm, man.
What'd you
supposed
say?
to like hail at like 8 o'clock tonight, so hopefully it doesn't. You know, we don't want the cars getting damaged and shit.
For you guys, right now we're headed to PF. We got Chap in the whip. So tomorrow, guys, we got a secret for you coming. You're gonna find out what it is.
Yeah, DriftTweakers, man. That's all we love to do is tweak, man.
Yeah. All right, you guys. So we're not gonna hold that secret from you guys too much longer. We taught Seed how to drive manual. Now it's time. We're teaching Chap, all right? So he already like has done it before, he says, so this is not technically not a first time, but we're refreshing him.
Yeah.
And we're gonna get him interested in buying a manual car, guys.
Yeah. At
least teach him the basics. And yeah, guys, you know, I don't do this for everybody, but you know, a select few. I do enjoy teaching, but hey, I mean, I can make some money off this. So if you guys want to learn how to drive manual, comment below. I can teach you guys. But yeah, Chap's about to learn.
Yeah, man, I'm excited, man. I'm excited, man.
All right, guys. So what I just did with Chap is I ran through some little first instructions with them while I was just sitting in there. Now with the car still off, I'm gonna have him run through some drills. All right, so
can I move my seat up?
Yeah, here, I'll move it up. Now feel if that's good for you. Probably needs to go up a little more.
Yeah.
All right, right there should be good. Can you push it all the way to the floor?
Yeah.
All right, so that's good. All right, guys, so I ran through with him what you need to do when you first start out. What do you need to do when you want to start the car? Just at least start the car for right now. Don't put in any gear. Now press the button. Okay, good. Don't touch anything. Take your foot off the clutch. And now just press the button one time so it turns off.
What button? This one?
Yeah. Start button. Okay, good. Now you know how to start a manual car. So at least you know how to get it on, right? When you hop in, you're like, oh, no, I can't start this. Now you know what to do. All right, so that's the first simple part. So now just push the clutch in, hold it down, and go through all the gears on your shifter. Just get used to going through all the gears. And to the right, yeah, fifth. No, make sure you go straight back and down. That's, yeah, it looks like 6. All right, so guys, he understands this a little bit better than C, because like I said, he's drove a manual car, but we're about to see how he can do. All right, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take your left foot and push the clutch all the way to the floor. Keep it there, all the way down. And now put the car in first gear. You know how to get into first. All right, so what you want to do is slowly let off that clutch and give it some gas. but not a lot. The gas and clutch. All right, nope. All right, now take your foot off the clutch. Okay?
Okay.
So everything's fine, right? It's typical when you start.
Yeah.
But what you need to do is you didn't give it any gas at all.
Okay.
Okay? So you need to give the car gas, just like in a regular car, automatic car, when you want to get started.
Yeah.
All right. So slowly let your foot off the clutch and give it a little gas, okay? Little gas. You're not giving the car any gas. You're just.
You said a little bit of gas though. That's
You're not giving it any though. You're just dumping the clutch, bro. Push it in. You gotta start the car again. All right. All right. So listen. Just put your foot on the gas pedal. Your right foot. Now practice giving it gas. Just rev it up a little bit. All right. Now let the clutch out slowly while you're doing. All right, guys. He got it going, but he kind of slammed the clutch. Just stay in first because I need you to get used to driving it, and then we'll work on getting a second. All right, kind of take this loop around right here. Yep. All right. Yep. Another left. All right, guys. So we got him going. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop now. Okay. So you're gonna push the clutch in and put it in neutral. Put the shifter in neutral. Put it in neutral. Good. Now stop with the brake. The brake. Yeah, stop. Okay, good. Good, you stopped. All right, good. And then after you get another start, we're going to have you shift to second and drive in second, okay?
Right.
Slow, slow. Wow, dude, you're dumping that clutch. You're literally taking your foot right off of it. You got to get smoother at that, buddy, but
yeah, I know.
you at least did it. You got the car
I'm
moving.
doing it, so.
All right, good. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to shift to second, but not here, on the other way around. So what you do when you shift to second, you want to push the clutch in and put it straight back down in
Okay,
gear.
but you don't want to have your foot on the gas, do you?
No, not while you're shifting.
Okay.
Just take it off and then you push the clutch in and push this straight down.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and do it when you make this turn. The clutch out very slowly until you start to feel it moving. Give it a little bit of gas. Okay, go ahead. Very slowly on the clutch. Slow. Slow.
It's like hard though.
Okay, but you have...
It's like the clutch is like gonna, like my leg is shaking right now.
Well, then it means you take your foot off the gas, push the clutch in, shift down. Now slowly let off the clutch and push the gas. Yes, my brother. Good shit. All right. So take a couple laps in second and just get used to driving the car.
Even the first shift I did.
Yep. So good stuff, guys. Chap, congratulations. You can drive a manual, but, you know, there's always room for improvement. So
right,
I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial right now. He's kind of just whipping it around. Then we're going to hit PF. All right, guys, we're cruising. We got the R8 behind us. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share these videos with your friends. We got a lot more coming soon.